All right, guys, I am back. I'm so sorry for that little glitch there. So it looks like Screencastify is working now, so I'm going to try again. So again, I went to my videos, I went to my recordings, I pulled up a video I have already recorded, and you can do the same thing for a video you just recorded. So when you just record a video, this same screen pops up. As a reminder, it does automatically save to your drive, but you do have this option to publish to YouTube. So what you want to do is click publish to YouTube, and now you can add your channel. Fingers crossed, this works. Okay, I have my sample count. We want to allow. Okay, it looks like it's worked. Now, when you go to upload a video from here on out, this will automatically pop up with your YouTube name here. Okay, now that you've added that account, the only thing that you need to make sure you do is unlist the video. Okay, so you always are going to have to check this. It automatically defaults to private. You want to click unlisted, press upload. And you have to give it a couple of seconds to upload. This is really going to be beneficial to the students, and a wonderful thing about doing this is when you upload a video to Google Classroom, which I will show you how to do that, the kids will not be directed to YouTube, so you won't have to worry about any of those things popping up on the side. All you have to worry about is them just viewing the video, and I will show you how to do that as well. So the video has uploaded, so you can copy the link. It's now been copied, okay? If for some reason, again, there's a glitch and it doesn't copy, you can press view on YouTube. I'm just gonna pause this video. And you can copy this link as well. So highlight it, press Control-C, and your link is now copied. So I'm gonna head over to my Google Classroom now. I have to switch accounts. I'm gonna go to my teacher account. And I'm gonna head over to my classroom. I'm going to show you now how to upload this YouTube video to your classroom. So simple. So I have this sample class as well. I'm going to go into my classwork and I'm going to create a new assignment. So you'll do your title and your instructions just like you have in the past. Here's what's going to change. When you press add, you're going to not add a drive or a link or a file. You're going to add YouTube. And what's great is that it lets you just paste the URL here so you have it copied, so you can press Control-V. It'll show your picture. You can press add, and your video is now uploaded to YouTube. When the kids click on it, they see this. And so what's great is that they'll see some more videos down at the bottom, but they're not gonna see any ads on the side or anything like that, okay? If you guys have any more questions, please let me know. I'm here to help. Have a good one.